In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Downloads folder is not responding on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're trying to click on your Downloads folder and it either keeps freezing or it's just not opening in general, then there's a couple of things we can do to fix this. Now, the first step is to head over to your Start menu and search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, we need to type in DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health, and then hit enter. Now, you will need to wait a few minutes while this goes ahead and scans your computer for any corrupted or damaged files. So just be patient and wait for this to get to 100%. Once the scan's finished, you'll then need to type in the second command, which is sfc space scan now, and hit enter. And just like before, you'll need to wait for this scan to also get to 100%. And then once you've performed both of these scans, you can close out of this window. Now, you can try heading back over to your Downloads folder to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, then what we can do is actually right-click on the Downloads folder. From here, click on Unpin from Quick Access, and then we're going to close out of this window. Head over to your Start menu and search for Downloads, and then you need to click on this Downloads folder here. So if you're able to access the downloads from here, then just click on these three horizontal dots and we can now repin it to our quick access like so. If that still doesn't work, right-click on the Downloads folder and click on Properties. Click on the Location tab and select Restore Default, and then press Apply and OK. Now, once again, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, the final thing to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Storage. Scroll down to Storage Sense and make sure this is turned on. Then click on Cleanup Recommendations. Make sure the Downloads folder is selected like this, and then press the Cleanup button. Just make sure you don't have anything in the Downloads folder that you don't mind being deleted. This is essentially going to clear your Downloads folder, and you should be able to access it after doing this. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.